Hello everyone, we are going to see about subquery with exits and not exits. Subquery in MySQL are queries nested within another query. They are often used to filter or manipulate data based on the result of another query. The exits and non-exits operator in MySQL are used to check the existence or non-existence of row returned by a subquery. Let's explore how to use them. Before that, we can create a table. Now I am going to create a table orders order id linked under the primary key and order date as date. And we are going to create another table called create table order items. For that I am going to have item id int primary key order id which will be int and product id which is also int and quantity. We are going to yes, it was created. Now we are going to insert a value. Insert into orders. First is order id and order date and values and comma date 2022 2024 0401 comma 2 2024 0402 3 2024 and I am going to insert into order items item id order id product id quantity and values and the value is 1 comma 1 comma 101 comma 2 2 comma 2 2 comma 102 comma 3 3 comma 4 comma 2 comma 104 4. I am in inserted the order and order items in the table. About exits. The exit operator returns true if the subquery returns one or more rows, otherwise it returns false. Now I am going to show you the syntax. Select columns from table where exits subquery. Select column, specify the column you want to retrieve. Table, specify the table you want to query. Subquery, specify the subquery that you want to check the existence of. Next, we are going to see the code how it will work. Suppose you want to retrieve all order where at least item has a quantity greater than 3. Now I am going to write the code. Select star from orders O where exits. Select star from order items OI where OI dot order ID equal to O dot order ID and OI dot quantity is greater than 3. If I run this, see we are getting 2 and 2024 402, which is this quantity is greater than 3. In this example, the outer query selects all elements from the order table. The subsequent check if there is exists any row in the order item table for each order where the quantity is greater than 3. If the subquery returns at least one row for a particular order, the exists condition is true. The corresponding order is included in the result set. Not exists. Next, we are going to see about not exists. The not exists operator returns true if the subsequent return no rows, otherwise it returns false. Now I am going to show the syntax for that. For that, select columns from table where not exists subquery. This is similar to exist, but it returns true if the subquery returns no row. Suppose we want to retrieve all orders where no item has a quantity greater than 3. Now I will show you how to write the code for that. For that, select star from order O where not exists select star from order items of OI where y dot order id equal to o dot order id and y dot quantity greater than 3. If I run this, see we are getting order id 1 and order date, order id 3 and this. The outer query selects all the column from the order table. The subquery checks if there are no rows in the order item table for each order where the quantity is greater than 3. If the subquery returns no row for a particular order, the not exist condition is true. The corresponding order is included in the result set. This example demonstrates how to use exists and not exist operator with subquery in MySQL to filter data based on the existence or non-existence of row in another table. Thank you.